Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your go-to destination for the finest rides in automotive history and the freshest legends rolling off the assembly line. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that doesn't just set the standard, it redefines it. If you're a fan of quiet power, unapologetic luxury, and next-gen innovation, this is one ride you don't want to miss. Let's start with the design. The 2026 S-Class stays true to its lineage with smooth, flowing lines and an unmistakable presence. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle enhancements. A redesigned grille, slimmer digital LED headlights, and flush door handles contribute to a cleaner, more aerodynamic look. The rear fascia is more sculpted, with new OLED taillight signatures that create a futuristic light dance when you lock or unlock the car. Under the hood, Mercedes gives you options, but make no mistake, power and refinement come standard. The S500 variant now features an updated 3.0-liter inline-six with a mild hybrid system, producing around 435 horsepower. It's silky, responsive, and eerily quiet. Paired with the latest 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, this car delivers a composed yet confident ride. Whether you're gliding through city streets or eating up highway miles, step inside, and the real magic begins. The 2026 S-Class cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship and tech integration. The massive floating OLED touchscreen now runs the updated MBUX 3.0 system, which is smarter, more intuitive, and deeply personalized. Voice control understands natural language even better, and the haptic feedback makes using the screen feel surprisingly tactile. Behind the wheel, you've got a fully digital 3D instrument cluster and an augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation onto the road in real time. But Mercedes didn't stop at screens. The ambient lighting is more immersive, the massage seats offer new wellness programs, and active noise cancellation makes the cabin feel like a rolling sanctuary. There's even biometric authentication. Just place your finger on the sensor, and the car adjusts everything from seat position to music preferences instantly. Safety and autonomy continue to evolve. The 2026 S-Class takes a leap toward hands-free driving with enhanced Drive Pilot features. Especially in countries with permissive regulations, it now recognizes traffic signs, pedestrian gestures, and complex intersections with even greater accuracy, giving you an extra layer of confidence on every drive. Of course, no S-Class would be complete without attention to rear seat luxury. The executive rear package transforms the back into a first-class lounge with fully reclining seats, individual entertainment screens, and even a cooled compartment for your drinks. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a car, it's an experience. It blends tradition and future tech in a way only Mercedes can, making sure every detail, every moment, feels like something extraordinary. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the back seat, it reminds you why this car has always been the benchmark. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2026 S-Class? Until next time, keep it legendary.